we performed geek out projects where we got to kind of share with our class something that interests us, whether it was a hobby, something we're passionate about, things like that.
At Marian University, student research starts with curiosity and sometimes a passion project. From classroom presentations to judged competitions, students are turning their interests into meaningful work.
We're trying to show them that it's fun to research things. It's fun to learn more about something that you're interested in. It doesn't have to be tied to a class.
That work doesn't stay in the classroom. Inside the Marian University arena, dozens of students present original research, turning data into solutions.
It's pretty cool to, apply what we learned here at Marian with real-world data and actually solve a problem.
It's a hands-on experience, building skills that go beyond the grade.
Whether they go on to be graduate students, researchers in their own right, or if this is the end of their academic career and they go into professional life, I want them to have the confidence in presenting the work that they did.
At Marian, research isn't just about discovery. It's about preparing students to stand behind it.